Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Creative Muvo Play with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth button, now go to Settings. After that, press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. Now it enters to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold play pause button for a few seconds.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
And after that, click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!